Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo Find X3 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to change battery sound. In the beginning let's enter Play Store and search for battery sound notification app. Now download this app. Open it and tap plus in the right corner. Select mode between connected, disconnected, full battery and low battery. Then select sound source between audio file, ringtone and text-to-speech.
Disconnected.
Now name your function, give it description and press this button to save. Now you've got your new battery sound. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.